Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 3 plus lnx. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. Number 3, that is about the constant. So you got 0. The next one, that is about 1 over s. So if we simplify, we just write about the s over s. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, that's it from here. So I will put number 1 going here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 3. When s equals to e, that is in here, we put e going here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 4. Number 1 we change by number 3. E we change by number 4. This one we change by u. The s over s we change by the u. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over u. And I will put the bounds from number 3 to number 4. And we have negative 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3. And this one, we have 1 over 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.